What up? Back again with another video. It's been a while. It's been a while since I made a video because it's obvious YouTube is not my full-time job. This is not how I make money. I just make videos when I feel like it. Anyways, let's try to make this video into like 10 minutes short. I'll show you the cons about it. Pros, I like the build material. Anyways, alright, let's begin because I'm not very happy with this holder here. Hopefully I can still return it with the damage I've already done to it. I actually just received this today, April 27th of 2017. Here's his information. So you can pause that and type it in your computer and check out his items for sale. It's a really thick business card. Alright, let's start. So that's the only con I like about this thing. It's metal and it's powder coated. That's all. Anyways, let's begin. This video might be 10 minutes long or 9 minutes long, so grab some Cracker Jacks and Dr. Pepper and enjoy. Alright, here we go. So yeah, got your belt clip here. I guess this is his newer style belt clip. Has that little U shape at the end of it. Or yeah. Man, this thing's not focusing, yo. Oh, there you go. Wow. So this is the new version of the clip, belt clip, and here's the old version. I don't know what the reason is, but you guys can check that. You can research that yourself. This is for the surge. Wave, surge. Okay. Alright, so let's start this off with the lock here. Not engaged, okay, so you can move the pliers freely. So let's start. Let's put the multi-tool, pliers up. Alright, pliers up. Okay. And see what's happening. Okay, so it's in there. Deploy your pliers, obviously, because the lock is not engaged, so that's why duh came out. And look here. Look what's happening. Okay. So I've been messing around with this Leatherman holder for a good 30 minutes now. And I'll show you right now. Look what's happening to it. The coating is starting to, yeah, look at that. Like I said, I just got this right. I just got it today. Alright. Okay, now let's put the OHT pliers facing down. Remember, it's still the lock for the pliers is still, it's not engaged. Okay, so see what's happening there. Push it down, and the pliers, stick out just a little bit, but you can push that back in. Right, it looks nice, Alright, so let's take it out. So once you take out, the multi-tool, pliers are already deployed. Take it out the sheath. Boom, got your pliers out. The only thing is that's kind of bothering me now is, excuse me guys, the finish. See that? It's obviously because of the this button here for the pliers. Alright, so now let's engage the lock. Put the OHT pliers facing up. Let's put it sideways so that way you can see it better, I guess. Okay. See. Doesn't want to go. Stuck. Oh, damn it. Pliers facing down, which is the, I guess it's the preferred way. So lock is engaged. Alright. Okay. Boom. So it looks like you would have to engage the lock for the pliers. So that way, you know, it won't stick out. Now you take it out. But then again, you know, scraping off the powder coat there. Oh, man, sucks. That's in. Take it out. So if you have one of these two and then you decide to buy this metal clip holder, just be aware that you would have to engage the lock here for the pliers if you want to carry it pliers facing down. But you can't have it, let's try it one more time, pliers facing up. Yeah, it won't go. Gets stuck. That sucks. But then when you do, if you do want to carry it pliers facing up, you gotta disengage the lock. But then you're gonna have this, you're gonna run into this issue. See? I'm sure you don't want to carry it like that. So preferred way, engage the lock, pliers facing down, and there you go. Oh man, look at that. So like I said, you guys, this video might be pretty long, so I hope you guys have that Cracker Jack and Dr. Pepper in your table or in your lap. No issues with the wave or the surge. Just a little bit, but not too much. So hopefully Justin will be watching this. I'm not sure if maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna show you guys what's going on here. It's already scraping off the powder coat there, or whatever coating it is. Yeah, this phone sucks. I'm using a yeah. Hopefully you guys don't like this video, so do whatever you want. So, preferred way, if you guys want to carry this one more time, engage the lock. Okay. Pliers facing down. Take out the pliers. Pliers won't deploy because you've engaged the lock. Now if you don't have the pliers locked, that's what you're going to get. Pliers will protrude just a little bit. Push that back up. Take out the plier or the multi-tool. Pliers already deployed. And you're ready to go. Which is pretty cool, I guess. But I mean, whenever you need to holster this or put it back in the sheath, you gotta engage the lock. Alright, so hopefully this video helps. Because my max recording for this phone is only 10 minutes because I think it's set up to 4K or 1080p. But if you want me to make another video on this metal tool holder here, just let me know. Give me a dislike for this video. I would really appreciate it. Alright, so yeah, so beware if you guys want to buy one of these. Hopefully, yeah, whatever. Alright, peace. Yes, I'm going to be returning it. I'm going to contact Justin. I don't like it. Peace. And maybe in 1 year I'll make another video. Lates.